Sylvia Putri, and I reviewed the book titled Sweep No More My Lady by Mary Higgins Clark. During the basic reading class, I learned to be disciplined and I learned about manner and I become more be careful when I'm talking and typing. At the first time, I was surprised by the discipline that that you applied to the class, and after that, I become familiar and I become to understand that you just want to use to good things for us. Thank you for that, Miss, and it will be the unforgettable lesson. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Febriani. I'm from class R2A. The book I read is called The Return of Sherlock Holmes by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. And my experience learning with Miss Yola made me love reading because reading is fun and I also become more careful in doing things. And I can chance my thinking learning to read with Miss Yola is very fun. Sometimes I still feel nervous, but as time goes by, the feeling of nervousness turns into fun. And I want to thank Miss Yola for teaching me to be more creative, punctual, and disciplined.
Hello, I'm Aska Nadira. I will review a novel's book entitled Alice Through the Looking Glass by Lewis Carroll. This story's book has a lot of wordplay. In this novel, there is also advice is conveyed indirectly. And my opinion, while learning basic reading in the second semester with Mishola, she was very fun. She is very firm in teaching, so sometimes it makes me nervous. That's why I'm more focused on online learning. She also teach the importance of manners and also responsibility toward the text. And thank you, Michelle. You have made me like reading English novels.
Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth Sihombing. The book I have a summary entitled Paris, Alex and Dana. It is romantic genre. In the novel talk, Alex did not get love from his parents, but he could get the love from Dana. From basic reading subject, I know technique how to fit main idea in the text without having to read the whole thing. Experience learning with Miss Yola in this semester, the first time made me nervous and little scared. But now, actually beliau melakukan itu tuh agar kita tidak terus berada di zona nyaman dan kita bisa berkembang dengan tantangan yang baru gitu. She always teach us about discipline, manners, and responsibility. And then I like her spirit because it's very effective to me. I wanna say big thanks for Miss Yola. You can always inspiring a lot of people whenever and everywhere. Thank you and God bless you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Jalika Rosa. I read English classic book. The title is The Happy Prince and the writer is Oscar Wilde. From this story, I can take the message to be applied in my everyday life, such as first, share among human beings regardless of status. Second, not all expectation match reality. Third, we cannot be arrogant and selfish to everyone. And I offer you to like reading English book because so many benefit if you reading English book. My experience learning with Miss Yolanda is that she is little bit warm, but actually she is a good teacher for me because she is not only teach me about the lesson, but she is also teach me about responsibility, manner, and discipline time. Thank you so much for all that, Miss. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Nabila Shifa. I read novels The House of Thousand Lanterns by Victoria Holt. I think this story is a lot of conflict, but it can be understood. From this story, I can understand how hard it is to be the backbone of a family, a new experience, a unique, strange, and sad, but underneath it all, there is happiness waiting. Learn experience with Miss Yola. I learned a lot about good attitude, always thinking positive, critical, and being careful in my search for material. I also learned to love to read books. I applaud the firmness of Miss Yola, even though it makes me nervous, and Miss Yola always correct the mistakes. Thank you very much, Miss Yola. Reading a book gives you more insight, train your focus, and you can take lessons that you read in book.
Hello, my name is Putri Astuti. I want to tell you about what I got from reading Cupcake's Diaries by Coco Simon. So what I got from Cupcake Diaries is we must be proud of our family. We must be confident, patient, and never give up. Actually, all throughout my life, I've never particularly liked reading that much, but I'm in a process where I like to read because science proves reading increases brain activity and analytical capabilities, reflecting how a person behaves and manage emotion. And when I learn basic reading with Miss Yola, I can be more careful in reading, and I also know more manners and more discipline when I studying. Thank you.
My name is Kurotainul Fariha. I read a book for summary entitled Blind Man Buff by Victoria Curtin. This book tells of a woman named Rena who fell in love at first sight with a man in Sydney 2 years ago, whose name is Randall Logan. It turns out that Ran also loved, but after that the relationship doesn't go well. Ran leaves Rena, and in the end Rena back together to Randall. What we can take from this story is the sincerity of a woman who feels love and forget the mistakes her partner has made. Even though her love blinds everything, but she is happy with her choice. While studying with Miss Yola, we are very trained to be focused and a calm person, and I really like it when Miss Yola puts the word "dear" in her sentence. I don't know why, I love reading it. Thank you, Miss Yola, for the lesson. Dear Miss Yola.
Hello, my name is Regita Malia Putri. I read a novel entitled Wonder by R.J. Palacio. From the book, I can learn not to judge someone by their physical appearance, and I realized that your life is not always about you. Sometimes, healing can happen when we care about other people. And about learning basic reading with Miss Yola, made me learn a lot about being responsible for myself. And because of Miss Yola, I like to read books. I used to really dislike reading books because they only contain writings. I prefer watching movies because there are visuals that I can watch. But I end up falling in love when I read Wonder novels and I bought another book to read. Thank you, Miss Yola, and thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Randy Septiani. I want to give you a lesson that I got from the book Alice in Wonderland. That today is different from yesterday, and we must not let the fear of the past get in the way of our path to a much better tomorrow. This means that we must be able to learn from the past and make us more careful not to repeat these mistakes. And what I got while studying together with Miss Yola, I become even more careful in acting, especially when reading, and being more disciplined. Always on time and learn a lot of manners. Thank you very much, Miss Yola. Hopefully always in